name, phone number, zip code, if they're homeowner, age of the current HVAC system, type of the system they're interested in, either it's just air conditioner or both AC and furnace, home square footage, and how soon they want the new system installed. Now, the way we position these ads is we're only attracting homeowners looking to move forward within the next 60 days. If it's any further, we don't deal with that. So as you see, ASAP, ASAP, ASAP. This customer said 30 days, within 30 days, and then we got within 1 to 2 months, but mostly we have ASAP. And that has to do obviously with the client's offer, which is a pretty competitive pricing they have with 10 years parts and labor warranty. And we're also including a free smart thermostat with every installation, which is going to incentivize people to take action.